So today we're gonna learn how to make changes on any of this section, maybe content, pictures, or this section or anything, right? So first of all, what you need to do is you need to log into the backend. It will The link will be cashweb.com/wp-admin. Click enter, and once you enter, it will ask you for the password. The password will be the admin will be YML admin, and I'll send you the password as well. Okay, so once you enter the password, then go to all the pages, all pages. Once you are here, you will see all the list of pages over here. So if I want to go to, let's say, suppose home page, click on edit with Elementor. It will show you the entire home page over here. And if I want to make changes on this section, then select this and make changes over here on the content, and it will be automatically updated over here. Similarly, you can do select this one and make changes over here, and this will get changed once you click on update. Update button will highlight. If I, let's say, do this, I just removed full stop from there, and now you can see it is asking me to update, but I'll not update because the website is live, and whenever you guys are looking for changes, you can change it. So this is the same way you can select. If you want to change these images, click on the image, click on choose image, go to media library, and in media library you will have all the pages which are already on the website. But if you want to upload some new images, click on upload file, select from your computer whatever image you want to do. Let's say downloads, I have multiple images, I can select anything, and then it will go to media library. From media library you can select the image and click on select. The image will change, this image will change. Similarly, you can change anything from the website, and there is other way to change it. I'll show you for other thing as well. The other way to change things is log into your website, cashweb.com, whichever is your URL. Click on edit with Elementor, and let's say suppose you are on this page. Similarly, you will be able to make changes. And if you want to change other pages, again go to another tab and click on the website link, and it will come as this. I want to make changes in service page. Click on service page, click on edit with Elementor on the top. Since you have already logged into your backend, that's why it will show you for the editing. And whichever section you want to do, click on that, select, and make changes on the content, header, or anywhere, images, right? Everything from here you can change. So this is how you can manage WordPress. And if you want to change or add extra pages, you have to go to the dashboard of WordPress, and you will go to WordPress dashboard and go to all pages, and from there you can add another page. So if you have any other question, let us know, we'll help you. Thank you.